Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really important thing if you have a Pedelec. This is the Go-Win, the Pedelec battery bag. It's an upgraded 6-liter fire protection fireproof battery bag for up to 1400 degrees Celsius. It can withstand that. It's waterproof. It's explosion proof. LiPo safe bag for storage, transport, and charging. The Pedelec's battery protective cover here. You can select in two sizes, S or L, that means 41 to 13 to 12 centimeter, or 49 to 15 to 15 centimeter. So you can choose a big one for a bigger battery, and a smaller one for a smaller battery. The inner layer of the battery pack is made of high-quality fiberglass and flame-retardant insulating cotton with a temperature resistance of up to 1400 degrees Celsius and short-term up to 2100 degrees Celsius, and 6 layers of fireproof fabric on top. The outer layer is coated with the waterproof silicone, which is fireproof and explosion-proof and prevent short circuit of the battery by penetrating water. This fireproof battery pack improves the weakness of the product available on the market, of course. With dimensions in two sizes available, this advanced e-bike battery bag is able to easily accommodate different sizes of the battery, such as the Power Pack 750, Power Pack 625, or Power Pack 500, and so on. Even larger Pedelec batteries find their perfect place there. And I show you here a really big battery pack, as you can see, but it matches to the big one back really good. The double seal design, consisting of a Velcro fastener and a zipper, ensures that the battery bag remains securely closed while charging. In the event of the battery fire, this sophisticated double-layer system effectively slows down the diffusion of gases and flames, which inhibits the spread of fire. The battery pack has two non-slip silicone straps that fix the battery stability and thus prevent annoying wobbling during the transport job. The Pedelec battery protective cover can be carried comfortably in our hand or carried over the shoulder, whereby the straps can be adjusted as desired. This remarkable fireproof battery bag is also foldable and can therefore be stored effortlessly and space-saving for our device. The fireproof battery pack has been tested by professional association and has passed the UTL certification. This ensures that we purchase a good quality battery pack here. Battery bag safety is the top priority of that. Fireproof up to 2100 degrees Celsius, explosion protection, and waterproof. Wow, that's cool. They don't know when an accident will happen, of course, but there are things they can do to prevent that. Yeah, they can produce such a LiPo-safe battery pack for us. The electric bicycle batteries often poses a risk of fire. This risk is often underestimated. To reduce the risk of damage, they have examined all the weak points of the similar battery packs in the market, improved the weak points of the similar battery packs on the market too, and this battery fills this pack with a better quality throughout the use of the second fabric and improved 6 layers of fire protection. Flame retardant materials that makes every effort to reduce the risk. So we have level 1, silicone-coated fiberglass material. Level 2, specific fiberglass fabric. And level 3, aluminium foil. And a lot of more. 6 layers. High-quality materials. Fireproof up to 2100 degrees Celsius. We have here in green reflective strips. So we have a bad warning effect. We have 6 layers. That's cool. The safety bags for lithium batteries offers a maximum protection against the battery fire spread, damage caused by ambient heat and smoke development. The careful design and the control of the manufacturing process. This reach the team, makes the product higher quality than, of course, the others on the market. Oh, yeah. And on top, we have a charging port with Velcro fastener. It is more convenient to use. After charging, it sits tighter in the battery into the battery, and to charge via the cable connection. Once the fire occurs, the fireproof bag envelopes the fire in smoke to reduce the maximum damage and ensure the charging safety. And we have high quality lock and a double security on that. The lock can make the opening anti-fireproof bag safer and prevent the battery from splashing at higher temperatures. The opening can be closed tightly by the lock to prevent debris flying around. And we have Velcro fasteners. That means it's safer in transport. During the transport of the battery, this can make the battery stronger and safer, hold it in place of the battery bag. It is available for a Power Tube 400, 500, 625, Power Tube 750, or the Power Pack 545 frame, the Power Pack 725, Power Pack 500, Power Pack 400, Power Pack 300, and so on. Fireproof battery bags protect our safety and peace of mind. We achieve charging reliability with that product here. This is the GoWin-C Pedelec battery bag, an upgraded 6-layer fire protection fireproof battery bag for our Pedelec batteries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.